BMW CE2 Urban e-bike. BMW officially launches its low-cost electric motorcycle. Nearly 2 years ago, BMW gave us a look at a futuristic light electric motorcycle known as the CE2. Welcome to the future, folks, because now the BMW CE2 has officially launched as the brand's latest electric motorbike. While there's no single delineation on where scooters stop and motorcycles start, the CE2 likely falls right in that grey area. It's an e-park era. The company says so itself. It's electric, designed to appeal to young people, and it's neither an e-motorbike nor an e-scooter, created for the urban environment. With a top speed of 95 km per hour, it should be sufficiently fast for pretty much any urban or suburban riding requirement, but not quite potent enough for highway use. Recharging occurs with a level 1 off-board charger, similar to an electric bicycle. A full recharge from empty will take around 5 hours. The BMW CE2 offers a single-sided rear swing arm, inverted front fork, disc-style cast wheels, keyless start, adjustable reach hand brake levers, reverse gear, and a USB-C port for charging devices like cell phones. The 2024 BMW starts price at $7,500. Hyundai Mobis reveals new tech that autonomously steers when reversing. Based on what one sees when navigating busy parking lots, it seems that many humans have a hard time steering when moving in reverse. With that observation apparently in mind, engineers at Hyundai Mobis have developed a reverse driving support technology, that is to say, tech that steers for the driver when moving in reverse. It's quite simple. The speed and travel paths taken by a car moving forward are stored and then automatically reversed. Hyundai Mobis will reportedly now continue working on autonomous reverse driving tech, seemingly seeking to carve out for itself an interesting and useful tech/approach in the autonomous vehicle sector. The press release on the subject provides more. Contrary to the driving assistance system, which directly recognizes external environments through cameras, radars, and ultrasonic sensors, Hyundai Mobis' reverse drive support tech grasps external environments through real-time driving information. Under this method, a steering angle sensor, a wheel sensor, and a yaw sensor installed inside a vehicle measure the car's speed, distance, and degree of rotation. Xiaomi CyberDog 2 Xiaomi introduced the new generation RoboDog. In the developing world, robots have become quite popular lately. Introduced by Xiaomi Academy engineers in 2021, CyberDog is the first robotic smart dog in this series. CyberDog 2 continues this series with big improvements. The first generation Xiaomi CyberDog didn't look like a dog, as it was said at that time. But with CyberDog 2, the design has been completely overhauled and taken the shape of a Doberman. Smaller than the previous generation, this RoboDog is also indeed the size of a Doberman. Xiaomi CyberDog 2 has a compact size and is equipped with Xiaomi's specially designed CyberGear micro driver. CyberGear micro actuators developed in-house by Xiaomi improve mobility of the robot. This RoboDog, which has 19 sensors for vision, touch, and hearing, also has a decision-making system from internal sensors and cameras. Combined with features such as dynamic stability and 1.6 mph running speed, offers a lifelike appearance and mobility. NinjaSat X-ray nanosatellite will study black holes and neutron stars. Now, a Lithuanian manufacturer, Nanoavionics, the Japanese research institute Raycon, and Mitsui Busan Aerospace have collaborated on launching a new 6U-size CubeSat X-ray observatory, NinjaSat, to conduct a flexible X-ray observation program. The astronomical NinjaSat X-ray observatory mission aims to observe X-ray photons from bright X-ray objects in the universe. The NinjaSat mission is set to launch this fall on SpaceX Falcon 9 transporter rideshare mission and will spend 2 years in low Earth orbit. For the NinjaSat mission, NanoAvionics is preparing to ship a nanosatellite to study black holes and neutron stars from low Earth orbit. The company's flight-proven multi-purpose 6UM6P nanosatellite bus and integrated science payloads developed by Riken will be provided for the mission. The startup has also provided satellite testing services for this mission. Once in low Earth orbit, the payload integrated into the satellite will track the X-ray photons that suddenly brighten in X-rays, coordinating with on-ground optical observatories to study how. Outrider Coyote first look, taking the power chair off-road. The Coyote Quad is the latest and greatest from Outrider. With this machine, we went into development with the goal of packing the highest possible degree of off-road capability into the lightest and most compact package possible. The result was an incredibly powerful long-range electric 4WD that you can fit in the back of a mid-size, so you can explore, hunt, fish, and traverse challenging terrain with a vehicle that's easy for you to transport. The Coyote is built for physically disabled and able-bodied riders alike. For disabled riders, it functions as an extremely capable all-terrain wheelchair. The Coyote features plush, long travel front and rear air shock suspension. Customers can choose between our industry-leading American-made 3,000-watt mid-drive system for sport applications or heavier riders, or the exceptionally quiet 5,000-watt hub motor 4WD system, ideal for hunters and mobility applications where an off-road wheelchair is required. The Coyote comes standard with a single powerful 1,512 watt-hour lithium-ion battery with a range of 20-35 miles per charge, and the option of adding up to 3 more modular battery packs for an incredible 8,140 miles of off-road range, with our largest 6,000+ watt-hour battery pack, so you can get out there and ride all day without worrying about finding a plug. Elonroad high-tech electric road system for electric vehicles. A holistic charging solution for all electric vehicles, commercial or private, light or heavy, autonomous or not, to use while driving or park, data, heavy, highly connected and fully automatic. The system can be used to build charging infrastructure such as electric roads, charging stations and opportunity chargers at stops and loading bays. We provide the necessary next steps to electrify the future of transportation in a sustainable way. Elonroad is a deep tech mobility company working with road-based charging solutions for all electric vehicles. You can charge your EV both while driving as well as when parked. It works for highways, city streets, ports, terminals, and other closed-loop operators. Our solution has several smart, built-in features, including load balancing and billing operations. Each vehicle can be monitored and invoiced individually. Moreover, for stationary charging solutions, the charging can be remotely controlled through the app, so the driver has full control of the status of the battery and the charging. Bugatti Sur Golden Era, the pinnacle of handcrafted luxury. The Bugatti Chiron Supersport 1 Golden Era is perhaps the most challenging bespoke project that Bugatti has ever undertaken. It is the result of 2 years of innovative and bespoke craftsmanship, featuring entirely new techniques that elevate it from the world of automotive into pure artistry. It is the very embodiment of the Bugatti Sur offering, in which customers' ambitious visions for their vehicles, which stretch beyond the already near infinite levels of Bugatti customization, are brought to life in a collaborative process with the design team. As the world of automobiles is witnessing a flurry of innovations, Bugatti once again solidified its position as the paragon of bespoke luxury and craftsmanship with the unveiling of the Chiron Supersport Golden Era. Archer Aviation plans first flight of midnight electric vertical takeoff and landing. By 2025, Archer Aviation hopes to operate an air taxi service in Chicago. That's the bullseye, and the electric vertical takeoff and landing manufacturer is steadily adding arrows to its quill to hit it. The latest and biggest to date was the company's rollout of its fully assembled Midnight, a major milestone that Archer says will allow it to begin flight tests as early as this summer. After that, it'll move to testing with the Federal Aviation Administration with the goal of achieving type certification by the end of 2024. As far as aircraft go, Midnight, first unveiled in November, looks like a behemoth. But despite having a maximum range of 100 miles, it's designed to complete back-to-back 20-mile flights with about 12 minutes of charge between them, which Archer believes will be cost competitive with ground-based rideshare services like Uber. The firm's stated goal is to replace congested hour-long commutes by car with comparably priced 10 to 20-minute air taxi flights that travel as fast as 150 mph, 130 knots with a 1,000-pound payload. Midnight will be able to carry a pilot and up to 4 passengers. Midnight's avionics system includes 4 flight controllers, geospatial sensors, and redundant inertial navigation, which can better measure the aircraft's motion state.